Okay, quick little rundown on this Vortex paint mixer. So I've got a whole heap of different bottles. A couple of people sent me messages they weren't too sure on it. So that's pretty much most of the size sort of bottles. Your mission models, your MRP glass ones, the little Tamir enamels, 10mm Tamir, 30mm Tamir, or what are they? 23mm Tamir, the old big ones. Normal ammo MIG AK style bottle with a rattle ball in it, mixing ball, Vallejo, wash bottles, and extreme metal. Works on them all, simple, put it on. Perfectly mixed. The ammo bottles and AK bottles, they just, because the paint's so thin, they just mix pretty quick. Done. Vallejo model colour, same as the game colour in that, nice and thick paint. That's got separation in it. Done. Just bottle of wash. Sometimes they get settled. Done. The dreaded Citadel bottle. You can see the separation in it. That's fine now. MRP. Done. No colour change or no variation in that now. Mission models. This one's one it's got plenty of separation in it, as you can see. This one's set a while. This one's set a long time. Starting to get that form of mix now. Yep, done. It's a little Tamir. That one's got plenty of separation. That's all mixed up. Standard little ones. Yeah, balls all move. And the old big bottle. And that one's done. So yeah, pretty simple. It's easy. Nice and quiet. Got a whole heap of rubber feet on the bottom of it, so you don't get that big vibration sound going through. Just very simple. Okay, hope that helps someone.